Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss the nature of logo by yours truly, Teacher Sanli. When we say logo, it is a unique identifying symbol or it is a special image to identify an individual, business, group, or product. Pag logo, ito yung mga natatandaan natin. Like for example, we have a symbol of M. It is the logo for McDonald's. How about a symbol of B? It is the logo of Jollibee. Very good. How about this one? We have here Coca-Cola. Very good. It is the logo for the Coke or the soft drinks. And we have also here the Sprite. Another example, we have here the Minute Maid. Diba, all of these are the mga iinumin or mga liquors, mga pwede sa atin naman yung iba. We have also the different types of logos. When we say personal logos, it is used to brand possessions, achievements, or even one's identity. It is more on our personal use. So, pag sinabi nating personal use, it is more on our initial, it is more on our name. Like for example, sa YouTube channel ni Teacher Sandy, we have a teacher there, a bit emoji teacher and a name Teacher Sandy. So, because it is for my personal use, it is a possession of my channel. Another example, we have here the Kuchi Indo, or we have the symbol K, which stands for Kuchi Indo, and Donna's daughter, and Jillian Adele. As you can see, the common here is lahat ng mga personal logos have a name or initial because when we say personal logos, it is more on our usage. It is more on ating pangalan or in our initial. Next to our personal logos, we have also the crest. When we say crest, it is the logos that are used to identify a family, country, or organization. It symbolizes the status or rank of an individual in the society. When we say crest, it is more on our public services. It is more on government owned. It is more on government owned agencies. Like for example, the Department of Health. It is in our country. Nasa Pilipinas po ito ang Department of Health. It is an organization or an agency here in the Philippines. Next, we have the Department of Agriculture. It is also an organization. We have the Sagisag ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Ito yung logo na ginagamit ng ating Pangulo. And lastly, we have the Department of Foreign Affairs. These are only few crest logos o ito yung iilan lamang sa mga logos na ginagamit sa ating bansa or ginagamit na mga logos ng mga iba't ibang organisasyon sa ating bansa. Next to our crest, we have also the branded and product logos. When we say branded and product logos, ito yung mga very good. Ito yung mga logos na ating nakikita sa different products na ating binibili or it makes the product noticeable in the market without showing the product itself. Very good. Like for example, we have here T, symbol of T. It stands for Turks. Very good. Next we have B. A symbol of B, it is a logo for Jollibee. Another, shawarma shack. Ito yung shawarma ni na Catherine and Daniel. Another M. Ito yung product ng McDonald's. And lastly, we have the Nescafe. Ito yung nagbibigay buhay sa atin. So as you can see, these are lahat ng logos na to, it has different products. Kaya pag sinabi nating nakikita natin ng M, alam kaagad natin na it is for McDonald. It is McDonald. B is for Jollibee. Ayan. So, the three types of logos, we have the personal logos, crest, and the business. When we say personal logos, gagamitin natin ang logos na personal for our usage or for our possession. Crest, it is for our country, organization, or society. And business and product, it is more on the different products na ating binibili. Very good. To have a best and a good quality logos, we should remember or we should learn how to use the different elements of art to create a good sense of design and art. So number one element is we have the symbol. Ito yung, it is a picture of a thing that makes it easier for people to recognize, identify, or recall. This symbol represents the trait of an individual. Like for example, the symbol of letter M stands for McDonald, kaya ng sinabi ko. So those are the different examples of symbols. We also have another example. Here, ayan, it is a symbol of Puma. This one, Adidas. Very good. This one, ito yung ginagamit ni Curry. Ito yung brand ni Curry. Lahat ng mga gamit ni Stephen Curry is Under Armour, branded by Under Armour. And we also have the New Balance. These four examples are the different brands of shoes. Ito yung mga different brands ng ating shoes or mga wears, mga sport wears. Next to our symbol, we also have colors. When we say colors, sabi ko nga sa digital art na video natin, it is the dominant element. Why it is the dominant element? Because one of the art elements that makes everything alive. It is important to choose colors that conveys passion and excitement. So, yung colors yung maghihikayat ng ating mga buyers. So, kailangan natin na i-convey ang ating mga customers by having a colorful or a organized product or a logo with organized colors. Kaya kailangan natin pag-isipan kung ano yung mga colors na ating gagawin by using the different variations of color. This one is an example of variation of color. Another different colors. Ayan. So, kailangan lang natin pumili dyan sa variation of colors. Next for colors, we have the shape, symmetry, and balance. Ito kailangan natin to because it is the use of simple, neat, and easy to recognize geometric shapes. It can quickly impress a unique identity in the eyes of viewers. So when we say shape, we are going to use the different geometric shapes. Square, rectangle, circle, sphere, mga ganon. And when we say symmetry and balance, it is always a partner. Yung symmetry and balance, it is always partner. Like for example, this one is the shape. Very good. You can see here is the pattern of different shapes. And the balance here, paghatiin natin, if we will have a vertical line here, the symbol on the left side and on the right side are just the same because they are having balance. Pag meron silang balance, they are just the same on both sides. We also have the symmetry. So, mapapansin nyo ang symmetry and balance are just the same because they are partners. Next, we have the free form. It is the placement of text and symbol. And we have also the font, which is a font that evokes a serious and well-meaning message. Kaya pag ginamit natin yung free form and font, we're going to decide first. Kailangan natin pag-isipan ng maigi kung saang banda ng ating logo ilalagay yung free form or yung font natin. Kailangan din readable and noticeable para pag bilhin ng customers, palagi niyang maalala yung brand natin or yung logo natin. Example for that is this one, the Walmart. Ayan, very neat and clean. Makikita, readable. So, linagay nila yung font natin dito or yung text natin on the left side. We also have the Google. Ayan, Di ba? Very noticeable. And sneakers. Ito yung sa chocolate natin. Very good. So much for our elements. We also have the proportion and size. When we say proportion and size, it should be versatile and flexible. We use the different geometric shapes. Very good. There are circles, triangle, or rectangle here. Very good. And it also uses lines. Bakit ginamitan ng lines? Para maging proportion or para maging uniform yung sizes ng ating logo. We also have another example, the logo of Twitter. Makikita nyo marami siyang geometric symbols. Very good. We have a lot of shapes na ginamit para lang maging pantay-pantay yung ating logo. An apple. Very good. This is the logo for an iPhone and Toyota for our sasakyan. Next, for our proportion, we also have to have uniqueness and individuality. Kailangan yung gagawin nating logo is different or hindi pa siya nagagamit ng kung sino-sino. Kaya kailangan it should be meaningful and timeless. Kailangan nating pag-isipan na mabuti ang ating gagawing logo. Big should remember the symbol, kailangan madaling matandaan. The color, kailangan appropriate yung color. The proportion and size, kailangan very very accurate yung mga sizes natin. Kailangan balance siya. Kailangan may symmetry. Kailangan unique. 'Di ba? Kaya yan dapat nating tandaan when we're going to make a logo. Another to ponder or lesson to ponder is that one way of creating a logo is to begin with the design in black and white before adding color. Bakit black and white? Because logo designs are always easier to visualize in their most basic form. Kaya kailangan pag gumawa tayo, kailangan black and white muna before adding color. Kasi when we put color on it, tapos hindi pa maganda, kaya magagawa ulit tayo. Kaya dapat black and white muna, then visualize the colors that we're going to use. Is it clear? Very good. For questions, clarifications, or may mga katanungan kayo about dito, just leave it in the comment box below. Goodbye! Thank you!